Hi, hello everyone. So in this video I will show you how you can generate phone calls. Okay, not only phone calls but real actual targeted phone calls for your travel agency, for your cab agency. Okay, so let me tell you. So there is like a lot of way to generate phone calls. Okay, first is of course Google search, Google ad. Second is Facebook ad or Instagram ad. Third is SEO. Fourth is Google My Businesses. Okay, but let's say you want 100 phone calls or 50 phone calls per day, so that if 50% is calling per day and you are able to convert at least 50% or 40% them, it's like good winning. Okay, so for travel agency, for cab agency, these things work. So I have just tested out and it's work fine. Okay, I will show it to you. So if you see my screen, let me just refresh it, so you will know that it will not any kind of screenshot. Okay, you can see here we got 20 clicks and 50 phone calls, 15 phone calls, and 42.37 CPC Indian rupees and cost. Okay, very low cost. Okay, so let me tell you how I have done. So if you know, like in all the platform, Google is very highly targeted. If you are running Google search kind of campaign, then very high targeted. So if any person is searching like 5 day Sikkim tour package, then high chance of they can be converted. They are really looking for like any kind of things. Or if they are searching for honeymoon packages, so they can be ideal customer for your business. Okay, so in Google ad or in Google ad, there's lot of way to like create campaign, lot of type of campaign you can create. YouTube campaign, you can create Gmail. Okay, demand gen campaign, you can create search campaign, you can create performance campaign. But what we need, we do not want like if any user are coming to the seeing the video, seeing the content and they are feeling, we want, I have less amount of budget. Okay, so I am allowing few number of budget, but I want lot of calls, phone calls. Okay, so I have created one campaign. Here this you can see, here is like only this is the campaign. Okay, okay, you can see, let me just go on the previous one. You can see here is call only ads I have created. The in call only ads, it's like someone searching on Google and they find the ad. If they clicking on the ad, they will not go on the website, they will go just on the mobile dial pad. Okay, this is called call only ad. Let me show you how it will look like. Just search call only ads. Okay, I am going inside the image section. I'm just trying to show you. Here you can see, let it just open. So here is showing if someone is searching car insurance, and it will show like this. If any person click here, they will go just on the dial pad section, not on the website section. I know here is showing view website because they also want to target user go on the website section. Okay, So in call only ad, and it's called travel packages. Okay, so I have created a lot of type of campaign here. You can see I have created call only ad for cab booking. I have created call only ad for travel packages, but client want only travel packages because in travel package lot of like lot of profit there, so lot of margin there, so that's why they want only travel packages. Okay, so I have created call only ad for travel packages. So in India there is place Sikkim, Darjeeling and Kalimpong, Bhutan, you can see here. So here you can see they are, so in call only ad, so we have created separate ad group for each location. Okay, so these have like in Sikkim, if you go in Sikkim they have only Sikkim related keyword, and in the ad section they have only, they are targeting only like Sikkim tour packages related. So the person will search on the Google, they will land, they will see this kind of ad and they will click and they will come to us. Okay, this is the main thing. So here you can see the data, 14 clicks, impression is 462, CTR is 3.2% and average CPC is 40. Okay, here you can see two conversion. So I have like added, if any person stock more than 1 minute, eh, they can be called as conversion, but uh, all were like genuine. It's more than two. Okay, it's more than two, it's like a 14 click. If I'm clicking getting 14 clicks, so 10 calls I'm getting 100%. Okay, in less amount of, this is a very less amount. So let me show you how it was. Okay, so first I have started the campaign and I was not getting the impression because I have tied up too much. Here I started getting the impressions. Okay, so I also getting the like clicks, but if you see on average CPC section, here is 80 rupees. So 80 rupees, so here is 80 rupees. Why? Because I like open the cap section for bidding. Okay, here you can see, if I go on the campaign section and click on the settings section, in the settings section I have opened bidding. Okay, if any person like, let it load. Okay, let it load, it's loading. So here I'm saying, so I'm targeting maximize click and I'm targeting, here it is open, like here it was not selected, set for maximum cost per bid limit. So it was open. So first I want to see what was the average cost per click. So I found that it's like going 100, 80, 70, 60. So I add 20 rupees, then I was seeing that we are not getting any impression, not getting any clicks. So I increase for 30 rupees, 40 rupees, 50 rupees. This way I started getting the clicks in less amount, and all the like things are like all. Okay, so this is the way you can get the phone calls for travel agency very easily. Okay, I'm not saying this for only travel agency, any kind of service, B2C businesses, you can get the phone calls. Like you can do today and you can get phone calls from today only, not you have to wait for tomorrow. Okay, just answer the phone calls, and you will see like your like phone calls are related or not. Okay, let me show you all my search term are valid or not. Okay, inside the Google search, and we are targeting via Google search keyword. So this is the search term. So here you can see make my trip packages for Darjeeling. So I have excluded it to make my trip MMC. Okay, Darjeeling tour packages. Here is this fine travel agency for Darjeeling, Sikkim travel agency, Gangtok tour packages from Kolkata. So these all are very high relevant keyword. So users are searching and they are coming to they are seeing to a website and seeing on the ad section, and they clicking the ad and they coming on the phone calls. We are not we are not sending user to the phone to the website or landing page. You can send user to the landing page, but it's like if you are targeting B2C, then it's very easy to get phone calls without using the website. Okay. Okay, so if you have any question, you can ask me. You can comment also here, and you can subscribe. All the links are given in the description. Okay, so you can contact me. Thank you.